I've literally just realised how clever Ali is. She's an absolute genius, because she'd fly over from her cage all the way over here, right? Because she obviously knew where I was getting the zip ties from, and she was pulling them out of there, which is probably why she was out of breath, because she was obviously trying to struggle to get them out of there. So she obviously knew where they came from in terms of what packet they came out of. So you're like a genius, babe, ain't you? Look how proud she is. See, she's showing Kermit what he should be doing. Going and placing it in one by one.